So sometimes your generator has a problem and the starting rope is not working fine again. Can you see that? It's not working and retracting very well again. That needs changing. You need to work on that to make it function well again. So you see, you need a 10 sockets, probably 10 spanner, ring spanner preferably. Remove the 3 bolts. There are 3 bolts. Remove them like that. You remove the 3 bolts and you bring out this starting parts, mechanical part that has the rope. Unscrew the bolts, bring out the plates, mechanical parts inside that is spring loaded, retracting the starting rope. Like that. Move it. Yes, so we bring it out like this. See it? Problem inside? That's what we are going to handle very soon. So you watch how this can be repaired, assembled and reinstalled. Only 3 bolts hold it. Let's go and see. So now that has been handled, it has been fixed properly. Let's install it back to the generator. So we put generator on this pavement, then we bring the uh, parts to be screwed back to the generator with the 3 bolts. So we have it here. We install it properly. The starting rope will now be on the right, up on the right, if installed properly, and then the 3 bolts set. So we are testing it. It's working well now, coming out and going back inside very well. Now you set it in, you put the bolts, and then you tighten the bolts inside to the body of the generator. So after doing that, then we will check working again, try to start the engine. It works fine. So let's check that. Okay, so this takes time, and it must be well bolted down, well bolted. So use your spanner or the socket, the 10mm socket or spanner. Do the tightening. That it has been tightened well, everything's supposed to work perfect, right? Tighten it well. Socket and the screwdriver here are combined to form a ratchet that can do the job, right? So now let's check. It has been tightened well. Very good, very good. So let's start the machine. Check the parts needed. Start the machine. The fuel control, starting button. So we also put the connection to supply power to the house. So check, turn on the fuel line, try to start it. Alright, so check the choke. Choke is fine. Alright, fine. Let's check the fuel. Good, and everything is working nice. So everything is working fine. Do not forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, do not fail to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order to get notified when we bring another interesting video such as this. Till next time when we come, say bye bye.